Hey everybody, welcome to Let's Do a Thing. And for today's Wednesday video, we've got something that I've seen going around the internet and something that sounds great. Very refreshing if you like spicy stuff, which I do. So we've got this simple limeade here and some jalapeno. Man, this is such a simple thing. I can't believe I haven't thought of it before. This is brilliant. I'll link to the lady's channel below because this was a great idea. Now, you could drink this just as is, or I think you could probably get away with putting some adult beverages in there. Not that I would ever do that, but you could. So, I'm gonna go ahead, cut up some jalapenos. I'm gonna splice in a video clip of that. Good job, Nathan. Good job editing. And all we're gonna do is add it to this limeade here and let it sit overnight. And then I'll be back. See you in the morning. I decided I should show you, show how I put this in here, you know, because content. You're gonna have to drain some of this off for sure. Luckily, I have things within reach. Bloop, 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 bloop. Set that aside. Now I like my stuff pretty spicy, so this is 2 jalapenos. We're gonna pop in here. I'm probably gonna regret this. Hey, pro tip. If you're new to jalapenos and things like that, wash your hands afterwards or wear gloves. Because bad things can happen. I know from personal experience, it was not good. Whew, that was rough. Yeah, let's go big, right? Go big. Hey. Does that look like enough? I didn't actually see how many she put in there. She just put them in there together. It's probably a lot. Ah, it's fine. That's future Nathan's problem. Give it a shake. See, that doesn't look too bad. That's not too many. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna add some of this juice back. I'll taste this. Oh, that's good. Oh, this is gonna be good. All right, now I'll put it up and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Not really, I have a swap, so see you in a minute. Okay, so as you can clearly see, it is not the next day. However, this is our other bottle that has been sitting in the fridge. It doesn't look like much has changed, but I have a sneaking suspicion on the inside it probably has. Oh, yeah, you can smell that. Woo! I've got this fancy, nice little glass here. I even decorated it with a little jalapeno to, ooh. That looks nice. All right, I'm gonna taste it. I'm excited. Wow. Okay, that's still got some fire left to it. Those are some good jalapenos. Woo. Okay, but don't let that dissuade you, because this is really, really good. Honestly, I think the longer it sits, the more that heat's gonna meld with all the sugar and everything. It's not gonna be as strong, but that is really tasty. So, very, very well done. Thank you so much for the idea of this. I am gonna use this all summer long because it's a scorcher out here. And this is quite refreshing, and you get a lot of that crisp jalapeno vegetal flavor along with a little bit of that spice on your lips and in your mouth. So this is just great. I love this. Just like I love all of our subscribers. Seriously, thank you all so much. It's been such a blessing to make these videos. And like I said, I can't do this without you. This is truly because of your support. So please subscribe, check out our other videos. It helps us out a ton. I would like to give a special shout out to Avea Cmix TV. I'm gonna try to put her comment right up here. We got a very nice comment from her and I appreciate it very much. Just wanted to give you a public shout out. And I will try to do that for any of you that leave positive comments in the future, if I can figure out how to do that in editing and have time to. So, anyways, thank you all to our subscribers. Sorry, that caught up with me. I better clear my throat with more of this fire. Oh God, that's good though. Oh. Sorry, the mic's probably getting all of this. Give it a little more time to mellow. Or maybe not as many jalapenos. Anyways, thank you to all of our subscribers. You truly are the best people. Until next time, go do a thing. Give this one a go.